your boy J-Rod again. So I had to buy some rotors and brake pads for the car because this thing is vibrating like a motherfucker when I hit the brakes. And I found this good deal on Amazon on this company right here, Detroit Axle. So we're about to unbox these real quick and see what they look like, and then we're gonna go ahead and start putting these on the car because I need some brakes ASAP. Man, these look real nice, drill slotted. Super nice. This is definitely gonna help dissipate the heat for when I get on the brakes pretty bad. So these are the fronts, those are the back ones. Always make sure you put your car in jack stands. Give it a nice little tug. So like that, you know, you're safe. You don't hurt yourself. So here we are. So I got both wheels off. I think I'm gonna do the brake pads first, or at least take them off. So here's a trick to push the cylinders back if you don't have the tool. Gotta be careful doing this. Make sure you don't crack your cylinders. Since I don't have the tool, this will be very hard if your brakes were seized. And trust me, you will know if they were seized because it'll be hard as hell to move. So now that that's off, I'm gonna have to do this manually. No biggie. So after a few hammering sessions with this thing, it finally came off. It was like pretty stuck on the hub. Just used a little hammer. Kind of tapped it here in between the studs on the side, and then I kind of hit it on one side until like it kind of broke loose. So let's prepare these things. Normally a brake job doesn't really take that long unless you got rotors like how I just did. So these are the old jammings, these are new ones. So yeah, let's replace these bitches. So a lot of people say that this is wrong. some of them don't. So finally that's on there. Let's get the caliper back on. There you have it. We got one on. About to put the wheel on and then go on to the next side. There you go. If you're doing your rear brakes, there's a bolt like this one up here and the back, but it's gonna hit, I don't know if you guys will be able to see it. It's gonna hit this right here, this arm. So normally I take out the top one to make it easier. In order for you guys to change your calipers, you gotta make sure that your e-brake is off. So that's off. So now when you're putting your brakes on, so the caliper is gonna have 6 holes, which is this hole right here. Make sure you line it up with this little like wheel looking thing, because that's how you adjust your e-brake to tighten it up and loosen it. And then all you gotta do is take the little plug from the old one, take it out, put it on the new one. Boom, there you go. Now time to put the caliper back. Put this bad boy back on. Make sure I don't drop that plate. Make sure when you start, you do a start pattern. It doesn't matter which one you start in, just make sure you do a start pattern. Do not go around in a circle, because then one spot's gonna be tighter than the other. All done. Took me like about an hour and a half. Time to let this puppy down. Now it looks kind of monster truckish, but it's okay, because it's about to ride super comfy. Even when you're torquing your wheels down, make sure you do it at a start pattern. If you don't have a torque wrench, make sure you buy one. Very important to have your wheels torqued down. All done. Done installing the brakes. So let me show you guys what it looks like. Hopefully you guys can get a good view. Sorry the car's dirty, but there it is. Dual slider rotors in the rear. Raised the rear about 1/4 inch. Just because I got bigger tires in the front because I needed them. And here's the front. Raised the front about 1/4 inch. Gotta clean the car. So always big thing, make sure you pick up your trash and throw it out. Don't leave it somewhere. And here's a big one. When you first start your car, you're gonna feel like you're gonna have no brake pedal. So your brake pedal should kind of go all the way to the floor. Just pump it until you get brake. So soft, it's not like I have to go all the way to the bottom like I was going. Yeah, no, my trunk is open. Gotta go to the dumpster, take these puppies for a test drive. Always a moron trying to ride my ass every time I'm driving. Hey, calm down back there with your slow ass. There he goes, nowhere fast. Damn, I'm hungry as fuck.
I like that, man.
Oh, appreciate it.
I like that. Nice. And you vlogging too?
Yeah. Appreciate it.
Wait to get this fixed up right, son. Yeah, shit.
It's always dope when somebody likes the car. Man, this fucking guy right here, yo, he's driving like a complete idiot. Spot to break down. Well, that was a very successful run. Brakes are bedded. Car's riding super smooth. At first I thought it was my front tires, but then I remembered that I need to put air in my rear tires. So yep, we'll do that when I get to the house. So, car feels and sounds amazing. guys enjoyed the video. Until the next one.